In this course, I offer people of all levels, however musical or unmusical, the path to understand and play music. Music is usually taught mechanically, so that the student learns how to play certain songs. However, without understanding music, you don't grow to become a musical person at all. To me, teaching music means that a student should develop real independent competence in music, as well as a deep understanding of the musical elements. I consider it a failure if a student learns to play but doesn't feel like he owns the craft of music. In this course that I designed, I take people through a deep understanding of music, while they learn how to play. In this course, we'll delve into all that makes up the world of music. What is melody? What is harmony? What is rhythm? What is musical form? And how the logic of music works. As we do that, we'll see how it works in familiar songs, movie themes, classical pieces, and any other examples chosen by me or by the student. This course is a lovely way to be introduced to music deeply and not just artificially.